What's up guys, this is Colton with Load Trail, and today we're going to talk about the DE14. So this trailer comes standard with a 6-hole adjustable coupler leading into our 8-inch I-beam frame. We got our breakaway kit up here up front. Comes standard with a 10K drop leg jack, a JKD cold weather harness, and then on all of our DEs, we're going to have the large max box here up front for all of your storage needs. This trailer comes equipped with a tarp kit, 10 gauge floor, and 12 gauge sides. When we get to the Dexter axles, we've got two 7,000 pound Dexter axles with 10 ply tires. And if you can't tell, we've got two different colors here. So we've got a black frame and a sky blue box. This particular DE is available with any of our 20 plus colors up top with a black frame below. So back here we have our two-way spreader gate. We have the barn door features like normal, give you access to our standard ramps. As with all of our dumps, this trailer comes standard with their safety bar. The hoist mechanism, this is regular 5-inch cylinder hoist compared to our DL. DL is going to have a 6-inch cylinder. This one will have a 5-inch cylinder, but it's the exact same I-beam frame. Okay, that's going to pretty much do it for this dump. If you'd like to see any other features, go to loadtrail.com or visit a dealer near you.